Hi, I'm Richard with Simplified Manufacturing here at the ISE show at Barcelona. And what we're showing here is a single room multi-view experience. We call it a simplified multi-view experience. And it's a controller that allows you to control your video, your audio, and your sources all from a single unit. So what you're seeing here is, somebody's been messing with it. We'll switch it here, so we got 4 different sources on one screen. Or you can switch to one source, or my favorite, a picture-in-picture, because a picture-in-picture, to me, I can watch 2 sports. And I've got mine set up so I can switch it back and forth very rapidly because it's a fast switch and I can not miss the action. So really neat little device, inexpensive. It's aimed specifically for this purpose. It's not a big giant control system, scaled down. It's a piece that's engineered to do exactly what it's doing. So if you want more information, you can reach out to us at www.simplifiedmfg.com.